Okay, our next one is going to be measure 9 and measure 10. These 4 notes in conjunction with this articulated B gave me a lot of trouble. Spend some time going through this slowly. The D sharp is obviously going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then top pinky. Forte. Be full of spirit. Conspirito means full of spirit, right? With spirit. Take your time on that. This one will take you a hot second. This measure 9 and 10. Not my favorite. Everything else in here seems pretty manageable, but these 2 measures, man, have fun with that.